Ebra so said ya go kansia mu nsam ebra e won kwantana ne se from Eugene Kwame Anane sports team ni nyina e bo mi tidoma no pai ne de dwumade no ebesom e won kwantana ne so me so ko Facebook Black Adaroma Nana Black Adaroma dwumade ne live e Facebook ubenya bia he na enema akonkan ama me pa chaw e opem so radio on Facebook ukwa o like page no na wo share e my na bibia and so akwaso comment me pa chawa no pay opem so radio on Facebook ukwa ubenya dwumade ni bia he na bibia and so akwaso kama yensensem na se dia ne e CAF aseye enai the free CAF aseye eba any say 23 players tournament bia CAF asese on my bia enfamra no enai CAF increase no e de 28 players ni nyina e COVID-19 hu nsensem enti nyame boa na AFCON eba so next year e Cameroon no nyame boa 28 players ana CAF e de abaset o man bia wa qualify no on fat team no e mabeka ya mebia twam na 23 players ana e de ko enei de eba and it said 28 ana CAF asese o man bia emfa emani nyina e COVID-19 hu ensensem ntia na abeka ya CAF ade say emra esesa mechem ye bo games 3 substitutions aye no CAF se eno a ana omoda so ekwam a omode adwuma na mom additional one ebeba abra me fan say team bi airbo na bia Ghana ne Cameroon airbo na game na kwai 1-1 90 minutes na ekọ extra time no eho ana teams no ebetimi aye 1-1 aka meche 1-1 substitutions aka ho ano de ba de ho nsam no ma na dwumade no meche CAF AFCON 22 the na eba so Cameroon no ebesa se 9th June 9 January na awie 6 February Cameroon ese no de eba ye de ho nsam no ma dwumade no enso nyame boa Women Super Cup nyame boa efe no de abetudwa se ebesa se 25th November ana dwumade no ebesa se na eba so won kan Magdan Latin Park ene Medina AstroTurf ne so eho ana tournament no and ebesa so beka enche ana Division 1 Super Cup no eba na wiye na omo group no zones say ana Southern Zone no teams a omo represent Southern Zone no etie Hazakas Ladies, Berry Ladies, Soccer Intellectuals ana fay Ladies Strikers omo and the Free Southern Zone na Northern Zone no Ampem Dakwan Ladies, Prison Ladies, Kumasi Sports Academy and Ashtown Ladies. Now, no into 2 groups. That's a group A no ebaya Hazakas Ladies, Ladies Strikers, Sa Ensuna, Kumasi Sports Academy and Ashtown Ladies. And no group A, group B no Berry Ladies, Soccer Intellectuals, Ampem Dakwan Ladies and Prison Ladies. That's 2 groups. Ana ebeba Southern mienu ebeko Northern Zone nim na ese Northern mienu enso aba Southern Zone mu a ye de ho nsam no ma nyame boa ochina GFA any CAF license B refresher course no sase ewo pram nyame boa ochina CAF any GFA license B refresher course a omo ye de ama coaches no sase ewo pram na reporting time no 4 p.m. ana omo sase 46 coaches 46 license B coaches and I say Jumade na say almost say nyame boa ochina no mo wie ne kwasia da so na say no de ba ye de ho nsam no ma wo wo Jumade ne so enra yante asem de na ye beba eno so nyame boa ena wo GF conference room no ya de say 2021-2022 league season no nyame boa ena 11 am ana mo launche Jumade no wo GF conference room hono ma ye de ho nsam no ma wo Jumade ne so enti wo pa Facebook a won say sticker no enso eda so kama bibia ekoso kama ene ana Jumade no omo launch Jumade no wo GF me conference room hono ma 11 am Jumade no be live on Max TV ayede ehonsam no ma Jumade no enso na yento asam ne so dia yenko CAF Confederation Cup no emunyame boa haso folk ena ana has ebehu omo opponent a omo ne omo ebesia kan wo CAF Confederations Cup no emuna teams no say enetie pot 1 pot 2 pot 3 pot 4 na pot 1 no ebesia pot 2 na fe pot 4 no enso ene pot 3 no ena abona pot 1 no teams ewo ho no TP Mazembe Simba SC Zanaco FC Asec Mimosa FC Nwadibo AS Otudo ana fe River United omo ena pot 1 pot 2 no Go Mahia Mamoro Garant Sansuna JSS Sagora Red Arrows FC DC Motebe Mumpe Sansuna Ali Tripoli ana fe GD Intellectual ana fe Brenga FC omo ana pot 2 yehwe airport 3 ene pot 4 no eho ana House of Folk enti teams a mebebu boy e pot 3 teams no say ene tie pot 4 no omo ne pot 3 ena ebesia enti say ene tie pot 3 ne Tosca FC Royal Leopard afe APRFC US Gandemere afe LBRC Olie AS Moname Union Itiad SC Stade Malien and House of Folk na say group 3 no and pot 3 no and on pot 4 no say and TNT House of Folk teams are member boy House of Folk ebe to me share emubi ewo playoff nim Confederations playoff no House of Folk ebe to me share teams a me de ebe to dwa mu ebi RS Bekani omo from Morocco Pyramids every Egypt JS Kabili every Algeria Enyimba FC every Nigeria CS Fasien every Tunisia Cotton Sport Cotton Sport FC omo de kotoko ene omo bo omo nso ewo Guinea Orlando Pirates and so ewo South Africa and Al Masry SC and so ewo Egypt enti likely say House of Folk Bobo Kono ebesa ko North Africa honom no makwa akosi akantia no de ba ye de ho nsam no man tuba Facebook a wo say no so eda honom a House of Folk and 11 am ana mo behu opponent a omno mbesi akan ewo Confederations Cup playoff nim na say omo wini sa game no home na we wi a na fe omo awura Confederations Cup group stages na say and ma akonkan ama House of Folk Bobo Kono ye de ho nsam no man Jumedens na ye House of Folk a say here and 11:40 am and you heard him say House of Folk Bobo Kono ebe free one tripper omuko Morocco no aba Ghana no mabeto ahoboa ne so is as nyame boa kwefia da di animi Ghana Premier League no sase na senema akonkan ama teams na ye de ahonsem no ma na emra nwuma ya ntesem de Division 1 team a friend Bafo Soccer Academy omo wo sunyan na omo ko enkan akwa pre-season toys as enche na Division 1 game no ana league no sase na no ana de eba ene se driver no otwi bus no etc other lane mu accident eba na de eba reporter eba ene se coach ni de omo bre pa ansa na omo yi coach free bus ni na de eba ene se team no communications manager Kwakwaje Richard report ni che say the nine ehun atitima kakranti no egusu a ye tototo homa na say ebenya omo na de apart from sani pam yenu de eba ene say players ni de obia ehun anka eno de eba ye de ehun nsem no ma wo dwumade no enso eso nyame boa ya de say league no sase na teams no egusu a friendly matches no omo ebo nyame boa china Ashanti Gold ene bebia ni Gold Stars ebo 9 am 9:30 am our Linkley Sports Stadium now ahead of that game no and a name as Golden so assign new kit sponsorship deal for the 2021-2022 season to Black Facebook is here now sponsorship deal no and a House of Folk and as good Bobo Kono assign here ya dia hunsam no ma Jumade so to Black Facebook number and bra as good Bobo Kono and so at the two justices say omni and assign new kit sponsorship dealer first now Mushe Poku and they omaja mukwa say no the eba and say a Nigerian manufacturing company and I say sponsor as good Bobo Kuna ya dia hunsam no ma Jumade so nyame boa and then bofakota no and so any agenda start Bobo Kono friendly game kesipa Coronation Park 3 p.m. and then a game no basso Coronation Park. Yadia hunsem no man na get fees na almost omobaje no 5 Ghana cedis no mbaje gate wa omo say enema abekonkan ama teams ni bienu yadia hunsem no ma Jumeden so Ghana Premier League weekend dey animia na start na Tirano Mines the aba and it's ultra modern 46-seater bus. And mo de ama baby any Go Stars na bra Facebook sisi a na be he bus a baby any Go Stars team no omo de bus is ultimate say bus no fe ye papa we tie rubber pa baby any Go Stars ahead of league season bus no we ana omo so omo betenam to akwan na he say enema be konkan ama omo ntino baby any Go Stars bra Facebook sisi a na bra be he omo bus a omo de bebo season no na say enema akonkan ama omo ayede a wonsam no ma odwumade no enso nti baby any Go Stars omo bus no ene da Facebook a uko Facebook sisi a ubenya bia hwe na enema akonkan ama odwumade no enso nti bra Facebook sisi a eda hono ma ubenya bia hwe na say bibia nso akoso kama Fatau Dauda player na osi akan ema Legon Cities boboko no enei diaba ene se Fatau Dauda enya de se season ayebe obesi akan ama Legon Cities boboko ni biem na mom Fatau Dauda goalkeeper trainer ama Legon Cities boboko na yade ahonsam no ma odwumade no enso asunti Fatau Dauda ana ode ne farewell message ama team no ahead of a season yebe romo say ono de obecho say I'll be cheering you on and wish you all the best in the coming season. Yes no Fatau Dauda Lion ono so edia ode eba yade ehonsam no ma wodwumade no enso enra yade say the free Bechem United aso ye eba and say player your friend Latif Anabila was signed 1 year loan amoma ono so be he no atoto niema ama Bechem United boboko na one fair and second game second game league nim no match day 2 no Bechem United ba Kumase na mo ne Asane Koroko boboko no de abayantam so a yede ehonsam no ma wodwumade no enso nyame boa league no esase has to fog ni Legon Cities 11 Wonders any Ashanti Gold Dreams FC any Koroko Bechem United Bechem United any Mediama RTU any Great Olympics Go Stars any Bechem Chelsea Ken Pfizer any Wafa and ebebo Kaila United any Adriana Stars na fe Accra Lions and so any Elmina Sak boboko no and ebebo no de ba ye de wonsam no ma wodwumade ne so ntino ye de besi na answer na no ya de se GF ne so no ya de se omo ba ya no 2 years nra 2 years enra ntie na ye babisa ye ho a omo ba ya no ade papa be no ma ye ana de no ma ya uhunu se omo abomo mode na enra 30 years okreku de in some way ebe to dwa ye de ahonsam ni bi ma o say today marks exactly 2 years since God Almighty gave us the permission and support to serve our football industry. It's been an eventful 2 years period. During this time, we have individually and as a family sacrificed a lot to put our best foot forward. The last 2 years has given all of us a clear picture of the state of our industry. Now, we are better placed to even make our sport strong again. We need everybody to join us on this journey. Let's say no idea about a trip to make our sports the best in Africa and beyond. This will not come easy, but with a good heart, a clear sense of direction, we will build the arc. I thank you all for the love and support over the years, over the last 2 years, and at the same time encourage all of us to continue to put the change agenda until it is totally delivered on all fronts. Bring back the love, igniting passion, and creating wealth for all. Kurt E.S. Okreku, President, Ghana Football Association. I say no, Kurt, there, or the 2 guys, there, one some no, mount. The best